The network of blood vessels in our body form the cardiovascular system. Systemic circulation is the portion of the cardiovascular system that provides oxygen-rich blood to all the organs in the body and transports carbon dioxide away. Pulmonary circulation transports carbon dioxide-rich blood from the heart into the lungs, where carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is absorbed. Oxygen-rich blood is then transported to the heart. The blood is pumped through the blood vessels by the contractions of the heart. The health of our heart and blood vessels can be retained by doing regular exercise, sticking to a healthy low-fat diet, and avoiding smoking. Unnecessary and harmful materials are removed from the body by the kidneys. They produce about 1.5 liters of urine per day. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder and is then released from the body through the urethra. A common illness of the urinary system is pyelitis, or inflammation of the renal pelvis. Its symptoms include protein in the urine. Kidney stones are often formed in the kidneys. These might cause small injuries and therefore blood in the urine. The nervous system, together with the hormonal system, is responsible for the coordinated, regulated functioning of the body. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves, which transmit information between the central nervous system and the organs as electric signals. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, which emerge directly from the brain, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves, which emerge from segments of the spinal cord. Hormones are produced by the glands of the endocrine system. Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal glands, insulin by the pancreas, and thyroxine by the thyroid gland. The center of the endocrine system is the hypothalamic pituitary axis. The hypothalamus produces hormones that regulate the pituitary gland, where they stimulate production of further hormones. These hormones stimulate other endocrine glands, the thyroid gland, the adrenal gland, and the reproductive glands. The pancreas is not regulated by the hypothalamic pituitary axis. Lymph is the fluid found in the interstitial spaces, also known as the tissue spaces. It is produced from blood, by osmosis through the walls of capillaries. Metabolic products are also drained in the lymph. Lymph is carried into the subclavian vein by lymph vessels while passing through the lymph nodes. Pathogens carried by the lymph meet white blood cells living in the lymph nodes, which is important for the operation of the immune system. Other important lymphatic organs include the thymus, the spleen, and the tonsils. They also play an important role in the maturation of white blood cells and in immune defense. Genitalia are responsible for reproduction. They produce gametes. During fertilization, the egg unites with a sperm, and they form a zygote from which the embryo develops. The reproductive glands in the males are the testes, which produce sperm. Sperm is stored in the epididymis. During ejaculation, sperm is ejected together with semen through the urethra. Semen is produced by the prostate and the seminal vesicles.